Today we're going to unbox the Leither craft kit. I know it's probably not related to planners, but I really love subscription boxes and I'm totally into crocheting and knitting. I don't know if you knew this. I enjoy doing it. It's very relaxing. You can watch TV while you're doing it. And I think if anybody else has the Achiever in their top 5 or their top 10 for Clifton strings, it's kind of weird because even though you're watching TV, which sometimes kind of feels like you're not being productive, you can do knitting and crocheting. And somehow I feel like I'm like moving forward in life and getting things done because I'm crocheting. Anyways, I found this on Cratejoy. We're going to take a look inside because I think you could do this too for like calligraphy. You could put a planner kit together. You could put a notebook kit together. You could do so many things that people like to do as hobbies and put that into a subscription box. So we're going to check it out. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings on Saturdays. Now remember, if you would like to create your own subscription box, I have a handy dandy cheat sheet of how to do that, along with the video. So I will leave links to all of that below. But today we're going to talk about, I think it's Leither, because if it's German, my name is Siefert, which is I-E. So in German, you always say, if there's an E-I or I-E together, you always pronounce it with the second letter of the E-I or the I-E. So I'm Siefert because I'm S-I-E. So I think this is Leither because it's L-E-I. Look at that. You're learning German on this channel, which has nothing to do with languages. Anyways, so this box was expensive. It was $45. So I don't know what I was expecting, but for $45, it was kind of small. I don't know why I would think I'd get a bigger box just because it costs more. It was super light, and you got this, well, what am I doing? I will just do an overhead so you can see what's inside. All right, it comes in this cute little box. There is a mailing label on the bottom, but otherwise it's just a pink box that says Leither. And let's open it up. We have some tissue paper, a cute little sticker over here, and more tissue paper. It's like wrapped like a present. Okay, we have our string. Yarn, I know I said string. So it is 75% merino and 25% nylon, and you get 254 yards. Now, I know that's metric system. I don't even know what that means. This is a cute color. I mean, it matches the tissue paper, so I think that was a good addition. Let's go ahead and take this off so you can see the whole thing. And I think it's cute. And now I did order the crochet hook, which is right here. And it does look, yeah, it's a crochet hook. It's kind of thick. I don't know if I'm into thick crochet hooks. I'm used to the really skinny ones, but you will give it a try. All right, so what did you think? I think this is a fun little craft kit for somebody who isn't sure whether or not they want to crochet. They're not sure if this is really their thing. The colors, you know, if you like can't decide or you just want someone else to like give you a design and give you some colors, I think that's a great idea. I think the book was really useful. Plus it has the other ones. And I like that it's set up where it's like a tic-tac-toe, not tic-tac, like a bingo board where like you go each month and it's kind of like a challenge because you want to collect each month and create whatever they're doing for that pattern, and you can learn new ways to crochet, which honestly, I could probably use a couple crochet lessons. I'm still just doing the same kind of crochet lessons that my aunt taught me. I know she knows a million more, but she lives in Atlanta, so it's a little harder for us to crochet together. So this, for me, just because I have a small hand, it was just a little harder for me to navigate. I think it's supposed to be more ergonomic and user-friendly, but keep in mind, though, my hand is broken, so I just need a smaller one just because that's how my wrist and my hand are. So for me, it didn't work out, but keep in mind, you probably don't have a broken hand. So that has been like surgically altered. So you're probably going to be fine with the hook that they sent you. And it's kind of cute. They match the hook. I don't know if you could tell, the hook and the skein colors are supposed to go together. So in theory, each month you could have like a matching hook and then have multiples. Plus I don't know why crochet hooks sometimes just disappear. Like, they're kind of like pens, like you have them and then all of a sudden one day you don't have them. So it can never hurt to have more than one. And because this is a little thicker and bigger, maybe that would help it so it doesn't get lost as often, and because it's colorful. All right, let me know what you think, and if you also are kind of, you know, just into crocheting hobbies and knitting and find it comforting, or if you're crazy like me and you're like, even though I'm watching TV, I am like getting things done because I am crocheting or knitting. I know. I don't even like wear or really use the things I knit. I just like enjoying it. I just knit scarves, blankets, squares. So this was perfect. These are all the things that I knit inside of this box. All right. I hope everyone's having a great day. And remember, if you'd like to create your own subscription box, I have a handy dandy cheat sheet below on all the steps to get that done. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.